finished reading the story of a martyr saint from Vietnam, and it's so beautiful.
Truly indeed.
But I haven't read of a Filipino saint who is a martyr.
Oh, we have Saint
And
Lorenzo.
Bisaya.
Bisaya?
Yes, Bisaya, raise your flag.
Bisaya, Filipino saint and martyr. Si Saint Pedro Calungsod na jud ang imong gipangita.
Oh, I want to read the story of his life.
Saint Pedro Calungsod, a young Filipino catechist, was born around 1654 in the Visayas region of the Philippines. He received a Jesuit education, mastering the catechism and learning Spanish, along with skills useful for missionary work like painting and carpentry. Around the age of 14, he volunteered to accompany the Spanish Jesuit missionary, Father Luis de San Vitores, to the Mariana Islands, now called as Guam, to spread Christianity among the Chamorro people. The mission faced many challenges, including difficult terrain, irregular supplies, and typhoons. Despite this, many Chamorros converted to Catholicism through their efforts. On April 2, 1672, Calungsod and Father San Vitores were martyred in Tumun, Guam. False rumors about the missionaries' baptismal water fueled resentment among some Chamorros. When they went to baptize the daughter of a village chief, Matapang, who had been influenced by these rumors, attacked them. Calungsod, though he could have escaped, chose to remain with Father San Vitores. Both were killed, their bodies weighted down and thrown into the sea. Calungsod's life and martyrdom serve as a testament to the enduring power of faith and the strength of the human spirit. His story continues to inspire and guide Filipinos and Catholics worldwide, reminding them of the importance of courage, loyalty, and dedication to spreading the gospel.
And his legacy lives on as a beacon of hope and a reminder that even in the face of adversity, faith can triumph.
Yes, since the earliest times, some Christians have been called upon to give this testimony of love to all men, especially to the persecutors. And Saint Pedro Calungsod is one of them. Imagine, he chose to stay with the Jesuit priest than to escape. What courage that was.
Exactly. The Church considers martyrdom as an exceptional gift and the highest form of love.
You're right. By the way, I like your English, Ate Rons.
Oh, thank you. You have a nice English too.
Pareho ra gyud nga Bisaya, uy.
Mao jud. Pero mao ni ang problema. We Bisaya are sometimes conscious of our accent because we have this gahi or hard accent.
That's okay.
Yes. So, now you know about Saint Pedro Calungsod. Saint Pedro Calungsod. Saint Pedro Calungsod. About Saint Pedro Calungsod. I mean, Saint Pedro Calungsod.